Hey gamers! Welcome back to our channel. If you're a passionate or casual gamer, you probably have a Steam account where you've purchased a ton of your favorite games. But have you ever thought about changing your Steam username? Maybe you're bored with your current one, or you just want a fresh identity on the platform. Well, you're in luck because today, we're going to show you exactly how to change your Steam username in just a few easy steps. So let's dive right in. Steam is one of the biggest gaming platforms in the world. It allows you to buy and download games instantly without the need for physical discs. A decade ago, this was almost unheard of, but now, Steam has revolutionized the gaming industry. Now, if you want to change your Steam username, it's actually really simple and takes less than 30 seconds. Let's go through the steps. First, open Steam and log into your account. Next, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on your current username. A drop-down will appear. Click on View My Profile. Now, click on the Edit Profile button. In the Profile Name section, enter the new username you want. Scroll down and hit Save.
And that's it.
You've successfully changed your Steam username.
Simple, right?
Remember, your profile name needs to be unique. No one else on Steam can have the same username as you, so pick something fun, but also make sure it's easy for your friends to find you. Now, you may have noticed two fields in your profile settings, profile name and real name. Your profile name is unique. It's your primary identifier on Steam, and no one else can have the same one. The real name, however, is more like a display name. This doesn't need to be unique, and you can use your actual name here so your friends can easily find you. And there you have it, folks. That's how easy it is to change your Steam username. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks for all your favorite gaming platforms. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!